I'm trying to have less disposable cleaning things in my home and more reusable. So I've gotten several different kinds of cleaning cloths to find which kind I like the most. And this is definitely in my top. First of all, look at these designs. These are so pretty. I want to color them with my markers. This kind of thing just brings me a little bit of happiness. If I'm in the kitchen and I'm cleaning and I see this, it sparks a little bit of joy. The super weird thing about these is the material. This feels like a piece of cardboard. And when I got it, I thought, what in the world? How is this going to do anything? But in just a moment, I'm going to bring in the footage, and it's really a good little cleaning thing. Isn't that so weird? It's soft. It's not hard, but it's just cardboardy. They have these little holes, and with this package of cleaning cloths, you get this, so you can put these on, tie it, and then hang it in the kitchen or wherever you're doing your cleaning. Just a little something extra, unique, don't you think? The one thing that I found super interesting that I did not know when I purchased these is that they dry so quick. I was doing a little bit of a comparison for myself on two different styles. So I've got my normal cleaning rag, and I'll have that video right there if you want to go check those out. I loved them, no problem with them whatsoever, using them still. And then these, and so I kind of put them head to head just for myself. I didn't make a video of that. And I let them both out on the counter overnight. And when I came back in the morning, these were completely dry, unbelievably so. And the other ones were just slightly damp, not soaking wet or anything, but still slightly damp. So what that told me immediately is that these are going to be great for in the kitchen if you want to reuse a couple times. If you're going to reuse them for 2 or 3 days, maybe, if you're going to stick them in the dishwasher and run them with your dishes, these are going to be great for that because they dry so quickly. Not so much with my other set because it didn't dry as quick. And then the gnats start to get on it. So that's better for if you're doing a bathroom cleaning. I don't clean my toilets with them, but cleaning off the sinks and various things. And then you're going to wash them immediately. Okay, let me bring in that other footage for you. This is after it's washed. It becomes much smaller. I'm very curious to find out if when I use it to clean with, if it stretches back out. I have no idea how this is going to work when I'm cleaning with it, and I'm really excited to give it a try. I know that sounds strange, but I am really excited. I've already bought more because I found these to be so lovely. I am 100% positive I will never use these strings, but I do like them, so I'm going to save them for probably a craft or something. But let's put these on there just to see if it would be handy. I could see why it would be. You could put this underneath your sink if you have little organizers underneath there and just grab it when you're cleaning. It's so cute with the string on there. It actually is really cute. Okay, enough talk. Let's go put these to the test. This is going to be a downside to this because I bet this takes a lot longer to dry than this does. It does not stretch. It doesn't get larger. It's such a thick, nice texture. Great for cleaning. I cannot believe how thick this is. Yeah, I can see why this would be a lot of fun to clean with because it's not just pretty, it's an amazing quality. It's just so tiny. And no, it doesn't appear that it stretches in any way. It feels like a really good quality napkin, paper towel, but without the tearing aspect of it. And it holds a lot of water. Let's get the dry one and see if it can hold half a cup. Let's see if it can hold a half a cup of water. My hand is wet. I would say that this is not great for drying wet hands because it just feels so crisp. It soaked it up and became a little less crisp. Yeah, it does a fairly good job of soaking up the water. Slightly damp still. But look how much water it held. That's much drier. Maybe just squeeze it out a few times. I'm pretty shocked at how much water it could hold. Not quite as good as a paper towel, but as far as non-disposable, fantastic. I'm pleasantly surprised with everything about this, from the design to the quality to the thickness. I'm just pleasantly surprised and very pleased that I got these and some extra that I've already gotten. If you've ever tried these, let me know in the comments what your thoughts on them are and why are these so unique? I don't know. I want to hear more about it. Let me know. If you're not subscribed, do subscribe because I talk about cleaning products, but I talk about all kinds of other stuff, organizing and random things, earrings. I just talk about it all. And I want you to be a part of it with me. See you real soon.